Welcome. Today we're going to explore one of the simplest yet most fundamental concepts in mathematics: ratios. Ratios are just a way to compare quantities. We'll break down the concept using simple, relatable examples. So what exactly is a ratio? At its core, a ratio is a comparison between two different things. You use ratios every day without even realizing it. They help us understand proportions in cooking, maps, and even mixing paint. Let's formalize the concept. The relationship between two numbers is what defines a ratio. A ratio is a mathematical way to compare two or more numbers or quantities by division. There are three common ways to write a ratio: using a colon, the word to, or as a fraction. Let's start with a very simple example: comparing objects. Imagine you have 3 apples and 2 bananas. The ratio of apples to bananas is 3 to 2. We can write this ratio as 3:2, 3 to 2, or as the fraction 3 over 2. Now let's look at a ratio within a classroom setting. Suppose a class has 5 girls for every 4 boys. This comparison is expressed as the ratio 5 to 4. A 5 to 4 ratio means that if the class size grows, the number of girls will remain proportional to the number of boys, always keeping this 5 to 4 relationship. Ratios are incredibly practical, especially in cooking and baking. A common cooking ratio is for rice: 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. That's a 2 to 1 ratio. This ratio allows you to easily scale your recipe. If you need 4 cups of rice, you know you need double the water, 8 cups. The ratio remains 2 to 1. We've covered the basics of ratios and seen them applied in simple scenarios, from counting fruit to cooking. The key takeaway is that ratios are simply a way to compare quantities, making the relationship between them clear and proportional. Practice recognizing and writing ratios in your daily life, and you'll master this concept in no time. Thank you for watching.